So hello, welcome to this new Unreal tutorial video. In this one I want to show you how you can make basically a window, okay, which basically you can use that to make also a door or any other thing you want to put in a wall or in a mesh. So basically what we have to do is to, well, I will do it from zero, okay? So first of all we will create a shape, a cube, and one thing important to know is that we cannot actually modify this cube, okay? So I will just make it a bit bigger, and here when we go to modeling and we go to 3D model and to PolyCut, we can see that here we can actually cut the mesh, okay? So yeah, something like this. So it's like a window, but when we say accept, it will not work because we are trying to modify basically the built-in engine shape, okay? So to solve this, you basically have to go to the cube, and I can just Control C to copy it, and I will go here, okay, for example to my walls, and Control V, okay, and I will now just rename it and let's say test cube, for example, and here we will find the according mesh test cube, okay, and now we are able to perform this cut, okay? So we can just accept, and that's it, and we already managed to cut oh, okay,